I have 25 exciting new product launches across our core AWS services to unveil, and I'm going to give myself just 10 minutes to do it. Let's start with our compute offerings. Today, I'm excited to announce our next generation of X family of large memory instances. They're powered by custom Intel Xeon 6 processors, and these instances can provide up to 50% more memory. And I'm excited to announce the next generation of our AMD EPYC memory processors as well, giving you 3 terabytes of memory. Now, you've also told us that you have a lot of really demanding CPU-heavy applications out there, like batch processing and gaming. So today, we're launching our C8A instances, which are based on the latest AMD EPYC processors and give 30% higher performance. Many of you also run EC2 instances that run security or network applications, and those applications need a lot of compute and super fast networking. For those, we're announcing our C8 INE instances, powered by custom Intel Xeon 6 processors using the latest Nitro V6 cards. These instances deliver 2.5 times higher packet performance per vCPU. What about applications that need really ultra-fast single-thread frequency compute? You got that too. Introducing our M8 AZN instances with the absolute fastest CPU clock frequency available anywhere in the cloud. So today, we're announcing Lambda Durable Functions. Durable functions make it easy for you to manage state, build long-running workloads with built-in error handling and automatic recovery. All right, let's move on to storage. We know you love S3. I'm pleased today to announce that we're increasing the maximum object size in S3 by 10x to 50 terabytes. But not just bigger though. We knew you also wanted to make S3 faster for batch operations. So starting today, we're improving the performance of batch operations where large batch jobs now run 10x faster. As the volumes of table data has started to quickly rise, you all have asked for ways that we can help you save money. So today we're announcing intelligent tiering for S3 tables. This can save you up to 80% on storage costs for the data in your S3 table buckets automatically. You also asked us to make it easier to replicate these tables between regions so that you can get consistent query performance from anywhere. So as of today, you can now automatically replicate your S3 tables across AWS regions and accounts. And today, I'm happy to announce the general availability of S3 vectors. You can now store trillions of vectors in a single S3 bucket and reduce the cost of storing and querying them by 90%. Now expect that many of you will use S3 vectors in concert with a high-performance vector database. Today, the most popular way to do that low latency search of your vector embeddings is with an index in Amazon OpenSearch. But many of you have asked us, is there a way that you can speed up the process of creating that index for all of my data? So today, we're excited to announce GPU acceleration for vector indices in Amazon OpenSearch. By using GPUs to index that data, you can now index data 10x faster at 1/4 the cost. Let's move on to EMR, which is our popular big data processing service. As of today, we're eliminating the need for you to have to provision local storage for your EMR serverless clusters. All right, let's move on to security. Now you can use AWS's most advanced threat detection capabilities for all of your containers and all of your EC2 instances as well. These are both enabled for all GuardDuty customers at no additional cost. Every customer wants to find and fix security issues quickly. The faster and easier, the better. That's why we have Security Hub, which aggregates security data from AWS and third-party sources and helps you identify potential security problems. Earlier this year, we previewed an enhanced version of Security Hub, and today I'm excited to announce that Security Hub is GA. Today, we're also announcing several new capabilities, including near real-time risk analytics, a trends dashboard, and a new streamlined pricing model. Ops teams out there live and die by their log data, but that log data is everywhere. They're in CloudTrail logs and VPC flow logs and WAF logs and logs from third parties like Okta and CrowdStrike. We thought that we could make that better. So today, we're announcing a new unified data store in CloudWatch for all of your operational security and compliance data. It automates log data collection from AWS and third parties, and they'll store it in S3 data or in S3 tables to make it easier and faster to find issues and unlock new insights. We also want to provide you with more controls to help you optimize your SQL Server licenses and manage your costs. So we're doing a couple of things. Starting today, you can specify the number of vCPUs that are enabled for your SQL Server database instance. This helps you reduce your per CPU licensing costs that you get from Microsoft. And today, We're also adding support for SQL Server Developer Edition, so you can build and test your applications with no licensing fee. There's one last thing that I think all of you are going to love. Several years ago, we launched compute savings plans as a way to simplify making commitments across our entire set of compute offerings. And since that day, I've regularly been asked, when can I get a unified savings plan for databases? And here it is. Starting today, we're launching database savings plans. These can save you up to 35% across all your usage for our database services. All right, boom, did it. A whole second keynote worth of new capabilities for all of you in under 10 minutes.